Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about linked list versus array. So first of all, what are arrays? Arrays are arrays store elements and in the contiguous memory locations, resulting in easily calculable addresses for the elements stored, and this allows faster access at a specific index. So, and here, as you see, this is one array, and array indexes are the positions where the elements have been stored. So, in on 40, like 0 location, 40 is the value. It is the array length. So, what is the length of this array? It is 0 to 8, that is 9. First index is 0 and the last index is 8. And what are linked lists? Linked lists are less rigid in their storage. Structure elements are usually not stored in contiguous locations. Hence, they need to be stored with additional tags giving a reference to the next element. So here, like 8 bytes are being stored. So here 8 plus 8, like that. Two positions are two memory it's been there. So one is data and the next one is next is like what is in the next? It is the address of the next location. So here in the basically what are the differences in arrays and linked list? We can say that the basic difference between arrays and linked list is the list regards to their structure. So here arrays are the index based on the data structure where each element associated with an index. On the other hand, linked list relies on the references and where each node consists of the data and the references to the previous and the next elements. Previous and the next elements is the doubly linked list, and this is the next element, this particular one. What are the when to use? How can we come to know that when we use linked list and arrays? So arrays are better when you need fast access to elements by index, or when you can say when the number of elements is fixed. And linked lists are better when you need flexibility for the frequent insertions and deletions. So insertions and deletions are efficient. Let's see the advantages of the linked list. So it is first is efficient insertion and deletion. We only need to change the few pointers or references to insert or delete an item in the middle. Insertion and deletion at any point in a linked list take O1 time. Then, whereas in an array data structure, insertion and deletion in the middle takes n time. So n is the worst case, worst time complexity. And the second advantage is implementation of the queues and dequeues. So simple array implementation is not efficient at all. We must use a circular array to efficiently implement when which is complex. But with the linked list, it is very easy and straightforward. That is why most of the language libraries used linked list internally to implement these data structures. Then the next advantage is space efficient in some cases. Linked list might turn out to be more space efficient compared to arrays in the cases where we cannot guess the number of elements in advance. The next advantage is circular list with addition and deletion. It is more useful to implement the CPU round robin scheduling, or you can say similar requirements in the real world because of the quick insertion and deletion in the circular manner. Now, what are the advantages of array over linked list? The first advantage is the random access. So we can access the item, any particular item, or you can say ith item in O1 time. In case of linked list, it is O(n) because it will, due to its sequential access. Then the it is linked array is the cache friendliness. It means that the array's items are stored in the contiguous locations, which makes cache friendly. Easy to use. It is very easy to use and are available as core of programming languages, then less overhead. Unlike linked list, we do not have any extra references or pointers to be stored with every item. So this is it for the video. If you like our video, like and subscribe our channel.